Everyone. In today's class, we will draw a lollipop, a very fancy lollipop. So let's get started with it. We'll make an oval over here like this. Make a semicircle on top of it and another semicircle inside it. And over here we make rabbit's face like this. Its eyes and its little mouth and the blush over here. Over here we'll draw the bow. Make an oval and then on both sides you draw lines like this, then a drop shaped like this. Make two small circles for the eyes and add highlights inside them as well. I'm adding two highlights here and a small mouth. And then over here another highlight. Over here add its ears, cat-like ears here. For the inside of the ears as well. Over here add a drip like this. Make a circle over here for the eye. And another circle over here for the eye and add highlights over here as well. Here add lines like this for the nose and the mouth. Add the blush here. Its stick at the bottom and add whiskers over here as well. The background we'll add hearts and sparkles. Over here add drops like this. We will do it on the exact opposite side as well. Now add swirls like this. Fill the other side with these kind of shapes as well. This makes the background attractive. You're done with this, take a thin marker and outline everything that you see on the paper except for the heart and the swirls. Now using a purple marker, I'm going to outline these swirls. Use blue marker for the remaining swirls. I'll use a yellow marker for coloring the sparkles here. And a blue marker for coloring the drops here. Let's start with the coloring part of this picture. We'll be using crayons for this, and I'm using pink color for coloring in the inside of the ears here. Let's take light blue color and color in this bunny here. Take purple and color these areas over here. The inside of this ear, bow over here, take the pink color and color in the second part of this lollipop over here. Again, take light blue color and color in this area. Like this. Next, take yellow color and fill in this area this way. Take brown color and fill in the stick here. Then again take pink color and color in this part of the mouth here. And using black marker, I will outline this area, make it a little broader and fill in color over here. And that's it. We are done with our picture.